In this example, we will talk about computed properties. It's actually one of my favorite topics. So let's see what it is. As you can see here, we have ternary operators in our template, and it's not that ideal, and most of the times we can extract them to computed properties. So let's try to do it. To use computed, we need to import it from view. And computed properties are basically variables that depend on other variables. As you can see, this class here depends on state, and our text here also depends on state, and we can extract them to their own variables. For our classes, let's create a state class variable, and it will be a computed property. This computed accepts a getter function and returns a read-only ref object. So we can extract this, or we can use this syntax and return. It's basically the same thing. Now we'll stick to this, and since the state is ref, we need to access its value like so, because we're in the script. And we can use the state class here for our. Now let's repeat the same logic for our text. State text computed, and stated value. Now whenever our state's value change, it will reevaluate this state class and state text. As you can see, it's re-rendering our component, and this is why computed properties are great. You can use them to make your code a lot easier to read and organized. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.